Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix touch screen not working issue after iOS 27 update. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version, that is iOS 27, and now the touch screen of your iPhone is not working and you are unable to use your device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply force restart your device. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down button and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this your device will be working and your touch screen will be working on your device. And if it doesn't work, then you have to simply repair or update the device to the latest version using your laptop or PC. So guys, you have to simply connect your device with your Mac or PC, and using 3U tools you will be able to repair or update your device to the latest version. So guys, do this, and in this way you can also fix this issue on your Apple device. And if you still face this issue, then you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.